Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. We are on the next part of our series on how to increase your sales. This topic is a very well-known topic, but we still wanted to make sure that we put it in the series because it is very important, which is why it is so well-known. And it is to make sure that you are offering free shipping to your buyers. You don't have to offer free shipping across the board on all of your items. Maybe throw out some sales promotions like, hey, if you spend $35 or more, then you'll get free shipping. You could do things like that to kind of entice them to spend a little bit more money in your store. A great way to know that this technique does work very well is because you're seeing large retail stores like Walmart and Amazon, and they're offering free shipping, but they're even using that technique of, hey, if you spend a certain amount or if you buy a membership with us, then you're going to be receiving free shipping. And they do that because they know that it is a great technique to be using to pull in your buyers and to get them to spend more and check out with you. So, okay, well, make sure that you guys hit the link below and subscribe to our blog series. That way you could be getting these in your email and you'll be getting all of the posts, which they go into much more detail than what I'm giving you in these videos. So you don't want to miss out on those. So make sure then that you subscribe to that, and make sure too that you're subscribing to our channel and hit the little bell so that you can get the notifications for whenever we are releasing more videos, because we have so much more information that's coming. Our next series after our how to increase your sales is over, we are going to start going into Shopify marketing, which I am really excited to start getting that out to you guys, because I know that that it's so good not to be putting all of your eggs in one basket. So if you're selling on eBay, you want to make sure that you are looking into selling on Amazon, selling on Shopify, or even on WooCommerce. And so the next series on how to market a Shopify store, there's going to be a lot of information in there that's going to be great that you can apply to any other kind of store that you have, be it WooCommerce or Amazon or even eBay. There might even be some stuff in there too. So, all right, well, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.